Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade sloppy joes. This dish does not come out of a can. You will be using simple, healthy ingredients to complete this meal. And with this recipe, you'll find lots of peppers, onions, and garlic. All of the good stuff. And you can top your sloppy joe with anything you'd like. And here are the ingredients for this recipe. I will link them below. And you will also need 2 pounds of lean ground beef and 1 tablespoon of butter. And now it's time to prep your ingredients. You will want to dice everything. And there you go. We are ready to cook. First, add 1 tablespoon of butter to your sauté pan. And you'll want to cook this on medium heat. And as the butter melts, you can add in your 2 pounds of ground beef and break it up into little pieces as you add it. And now as it cooks, chop it up into small pieces and use your spatula. And now you can see the meat is starting to brown, so continue to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. And now you want to add in your other ingredients. It's really smelling good in here. And now you'll want to add in 1.5 cups of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of ground mustard and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and then 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. You can add more to taste. And now mix everything together. And lastly, you will want to add 1 cup of water and mix everything together and continue to simmer on low for about 30 minutes. And make sure you put a lid on it. And make sure to let your sloppy joes cook for a little bit longer without the lid. And at this point, make sure you taste your sloppy joes. If it needs more seasoning, add it. So grab your buns and get ready to dish up this amazing homemade meal. Sloppy joes are great for barbecues, any gathering really, or even a dinner for your family. I hope you enjoyed this easy, homemade, healthy recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you liked this video. And you can connect with us on Facebook or Instagram. And if you make this recipe and love it, please comment below. I would love to hear from you all. Thanks so much. And until next time, happy cooking.